Hi, Tol! Happy birthday sa pinaka-pogi kong friend all the way from Spain to Paris with love. Happy birthday, Tol Asel. Ayun, hingit kayo palagi ni Colleen and more birthdays to come and of course, more years to come. Soon, makikita na rin tayo. And yun lang, stay strong, stay happy, and ano pa ba? Stay pogi, syempre. Ingat, love, ingat all.
Where we want to go, hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Tol.
Wish namin, sana
Sa susunod na travel, magkakasawa na tayo.
mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Happy birthday! See you soon! Let's go!
Happy birthday, bakla! Nasa work kasi ako ngayon, kaya dito ako nag-record nito. So, simple lang. Wish you all the best. Happy birthday, and thank you for being a good friend to me, and be humble as you are, and thank you for everything, and have fun and enjoy your day. Thank you. Happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday. Salamat sa lahat ha. Sa pagkakaibigan natin. Happy birthday. Sana masaya ka ngayon.
Birthday, Tito Masu. Kasi happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tito Masu.
Hola, happy birthday, Masu. Wishing you a long, happy, and healthy life. God bless you always, and enjoy lang. Enjoy ka lang dyan sa France. God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Maricel! Lagi kayo mag-ingat dyan.
Happy birthday. God bless.
Lagi kayo mag-ingat. Happy birthday.
Our birthdays to come and enjoy your day.
O kapatid, tandaan mo, ako ang pinakaunang bumati sa'yo, ha? Kaya ako ay pautangin mo, huwag kang tatanggi.
Happy birthday, Tito Tel. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Mahal ka ng mga pamangkin mo. More birthday to come. Mabuhay ka.
Happy birthday, Ta! Happy birthday to you!
Hi, Natel. Happy birthday in advance. Happy 41st birthday. Sana manatili kang malusog. Tsaka masaya sa buhay. Salamat sa lahat ng mga tulong sa mga anak namin. Yun lang. God bless. Happy birthday. Bye.
Pautang! Happy birthday! 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Nina.
Ano pa birthday, no?
Hi, Rico! Happy birthday! Ano yung cake mo? Kakainin na namin.
Birthday, kapatid. Alam ko, birthday mo ngayon, kaya eto para sa'yo.
Dota, happy birthday! Enjoy your day. Sana natili kang healthy at mag-ingat ka lagi dyan. Happy birthday, Tito.
Happy birthday, Matet. Ikaw ay mag-ingat sa iyong pagtatrabaho para ikaw ay hindi magkasakit. Okay na.
You ought to know